You're looking at $2.76 million all minted from Memecoins I launched myself. No team, no funding, just timing and execution. If you are done being exit liquidity, stick around, I'll show you how I flipped the script. I used to think the only way to win in Memecoins was by sniping early, chasing new tokens, tracking wallets, hoping to get in before the pump. But every single time, the same thing happened. I'd buy in, the chart would spike, then crash immediately, and I'd be left holding the bag. That's when it hit me. Why am I playing the game like everyone else when the real money is made by the ones launching the coins? When you launch, you are the first in. You set the rules. You decide the supply, the chart, and the timing. And the best part, you don't have to wait for someone else to make the play. You are the fucking play. It's repeatable, it's fast, and it puts you in control from day one. So if you're still stuck buying other people's coins and praying for profit, maybe it's time to stop following and start launching. Before we get started, I just want to be clear that this video does not constitute financial advice. Please don't copy me. Pump.Fun might look easy, but it's a trap. The site is flooded, too many coins are being created, and not enough eyes. Most launches gets buried within minutes. And here's the worst part, you don't even own your own liquidity. You're just another participant in your own coin. That's why I switched to create tokens.io. You launch directly onto Raydium and your coin gets instantly graduated/migrated. It shows up fast, it's tradable immediately, and the exposure is 10 times better. You keep full control, the supply, the liquidity, and all the fucking profits. If you actually want buyers and volume, this is where you launch your coin. Now on createtokens.io, there are two ways to get your meme coin live, and both are insanely fast. First option, create from scratch. So pick a viral idea, give it a name, add a symbol, then upload your image for the logo. This is your custom coin built around whatever's trending. A meme, a celeb moment, a wild headline, anything. Once that's set, hit next and your coin is ready to mint. But here's the method I use the most, and the one that's made me the most amount of profits. Copy a trending coin. This pulls in real tokens from Pump.Fun that are already gaining traction. You just click the copy and it instantly launches onto Raydium, fully tradable with your own liquidity. Since you are copying coins that already have hype and traffic, you get instant exposure and real buyers right away. Like I said, it's faster, safer, and way more profitable than starting from scratch with no audience at all. Either way, your coin launches in seconds, but if you want speed and volume from day one, go with option 2. Anyways, let's stop wasting time and actually launch a coin already. So first of all, make sure your wallet is connected, then refresh list to have all the latest coins, and we're gonna go with the which coin should we copy? I'm gonna copy the Buzzcast. Actually, no. I'm gonna copy the Elon Killer coin. Actually, no, wait. My bad. I'm edging right now. Hold up. I just want to be sure that, you know what? I'm gonna go with the Rent Do coin. So it has a last buy a minute ago and a 45k market cap. So I'm gonna create coin. Your phantom white will pop up. So just ignore the warning and proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm, then just be patient for a couple seconds for it to pop up. Boom, and now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this part's simple. We're just adding liquidity so people can start buying and selling the coin onto Raydium. So here select your coin, then for the token B, just leave it as it is. For the amount token A, click on 90%. That's gonna drop 90%, which is 900 million tokens to the liquidity pool. And now for token B, this is basically the first buy into your own coin. You are not losing any money here. You're just seeding the pool and becoming the first buyer. The minimum is 0.3 SOL, and that stays locked until you remove the liquidity later. So you'll get it back. Do not worry. I'm gonna put 0.4 SOL right here. Make sure you have enough, and once again, you are not losing that money. You will get it back later. Create pool. Wait for your phantom white to pop up. Then click on confirm. When that's done, click on refresh. Then if you scroll down, boom, the Rent coin is now live, and the first ever thing that you will see is your P&L, which is a profit slash loss. Now it is at $0, but if you guys click on refresh real quick, now our profits are at $143, which means that people are actively buying the coin. Click on view on Photon to see the chart. Boom, let me go on full screen for you guys. And now just wait for buyers and for the chart to load. It should take a couple seconds. What the fuck? Why isn't it not loading? Okay, boom, we got the first buy. Okay, the buyers are coming in. Let's fucking go. The chart is fucking shooting up. We're at a $1.6 thousand market cap, and we got a couple buyers. Let's go. Now I'm gonna do a quick time lapse for you guys, and we're gonna see where it's at after a couple minutes. So be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. As you guys can see, we are at a 5.5k market cap and $2,000 in liquidity. We are still getting transactions left and right from different wallets. And yeah, bro, everything looks fucking good. Now it's time to cash out profit. So come back to the site. And first of all, we're going to refresh to check our profits. And boom, as you guys can see, we are up $1.5 thousand in profits, which is around 8.8 so now to remove the liquidity, click on the minus button, and then here you can choose the percentage that you want to remove out of the coin. It can be literally anything that you want, but I'm gonna do like 100% because I don't care about this coin anymore. Then remove the liquidity, wait for your Phantom wallet. Oh my god. And as you guys can see, I'm gonna receive around 8 to 9 so click on confirm now. And boom, that's exactly how you remove the liquidity and make a shit ton of money. If I open my Phantom wallet for proof, boom, all the money is right there.